We have had a cliffhanger of a match here at the Chattogram Stadium, a match that ebbed and flowed, but eventually Bangladesh winning this one by 4 wickets. Congratulations to Bangladesh, they make it 1-1, and commiserations to the Ireland team. They played very, very well today and fought very hard. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the presentation ceremony of the Dutch Bangla Bank T20I Series 2025 between Bangladesh and Ireland, powered by Rocket, co-sponsor Nexus Pay. Our guests here today are Mr. Ranjan Borua, Vice President and Manager of the Agrabad branch of the Dutch Bangla Bank, and alongside him, Mr. Najmul Abedin Fahim, Director Bangladesh Cricket Board and Chairman of the Cricket Operations Committee of the BCB. Thank you, gents, for being here with us. I'd like to request Paul Stirling, the Irish captain, to come across and have a few words, please. Well, Paul, bad luck. Could have gone either way. Your guys fought really hard. At one point in time, in the first 10 overs, you looked to be heading towards a total of about 190, 200, not to be eventually.
Yeah, look, first things first, that was a great game of cricket. I think everyone here enjoyed the spectacle. But yeah, look, we were probably just off a fraction in the critical moments, and that's the stuff we've got to work on. But really proud with our fight. It's something that we have to have. It's a character in the side that we must bring to every game, and I thought we brought it today.
Yes, and the flyer that you and Tim Tector got off to, it seemed that you didn't have any kind of problem. That catch, a stunner of a catch that got you out, seemed to have turned the tide for Bangladesh.
Yeah, look, it seems to be the way the game goes in Chittagong is it's quite quick early on. It's easier to bat with a new ball, and then it sort of gets harder as the game progresses, and that happened in both innings today. I think the difference in the game was probably maybe our last 4 or 5 overs with the bat, where they bowled brilliantly. I would say it's more credit to them than anything against us.
But you've got to give it to your bowlers too, because at one point in time, Bangladesh were cruising, and then you really put up a good fight, almost took it to the end, could have gone either way. As
100%. We needed to pick up wickets at crucial stages, and we managed to do that. We got 2 new batters in a couple of times, and that was our chance to strike, and we just didn't quite get there in the end.
Well, all to play for the final one. Good luck for that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Paul Stirling, captain of Ireland. Now we have the Dutch Bangla Bank player of the bank. This is $1,000 to be handed over by Mr. Najmul Abedin Fahim, the crest to be handed over. And no-brainers, it goes to the Bangladesh captain, Liton Kumar Das. 57 of 37 balls, 3 4s and 3 6s. Okay, Liton, if you'd like to come across. Yeah, very gingerly holding on to that. First of all, how's your finger? How are you feeling?
Getting better, yeah.
Getting better. Well, it will get better because you've won a very close match. It was a very good match, as Paul said. But a lot of toing and froing. You kept your cool at the end. Your batters, that was very important.
I think this Feminoles game, as a player, we all want to play like this kind of game. They also play very good cricket. Yeah.
At one point in time, Ireland, as I said, were cruising, but manner in which the last 10 overs, you brought the game back. Your bowlers bowled well, fielders supported them.
Yeah, definitely. Always, whenever we under pressure, our bowler comes back hard, and all credit goes to the bowler. You know, especially thanks to Saifuddin, because it's not easy to come in the team after a long time. And first over, he gives lots of run, and then the way he come back in the dead over. We all know how Fizz did in the past, but the Saif, the three over is very crucial, and that way he finished the game.
Absolutely. And of course, you got off with Pervez Imon to a flying start, and that gave you that cushion. But you are a little concerned by the manner in which wickets fell at the end. It made it a little difficult at the end.
Not really. When I keep, I feel that the 20 over, the new ball, is easier to bat in the balls comes in the bat nicely, but whenever the ball old, it's more difficult. So after the break, I said that I need a run in the top. So go and hard play as much as possible.
Yeah, and it's 1-1 now, all to play for the third one. It's got up to quite a cliffhanger. Tight match coming up?
Definitely, every game is tight at the moment.
All right, good luck for that. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you very much.
Well done, Liton Kumar Das, the captain of Bangladesh, and that is all from me down here.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.